I'm really thankful to IIT Guwahati for this particular association where Rooman and IIT Guwahati is going to work together. My sincere thanks to the professors who has shown their keen interest in participating with Rooman in this particular initiative. At the same time, so as we have discussed about the various courses and how exactly it is going to change in the student impact. So I would like to further know from you that the courses which we have planned, like the VLSI course and the AIML course.
So, sir, we are launching this VLSI minor specialization, and as you know, there is a mandate from Government of India also to do indigenous production in electronic system design to reduce the import. And recently, they announced 3 semiconductor fabrication and packaging facilities also in the country. So, in light of all of this, we would require engineers who are equipped to take up jobs in the digital industry right at the end of their degree program. So these courses will equip students pursuing engineering degrees in CS, IT, EE, EC to get jobs in the semiconductor industry.
As Government of India mandate right to the educations for all the citizens of India. So our motivations is to actually reach out to all the people and to provide quality educations for India, citizen of India. So that's the thing. And most importantly, IIT Guwahati is known for quality educations. And with Roman technology, what we are planning with our experienced faculty, we are trying to reach out to as many students of different engineering college of throughout the India to do with right to quality educations, not the only right to educations. We want to just reach out to as many students and do a right to quality educations.